Looking to settle? Log into www.matrimony.maithil.org. Enter all the details into the profile. Once completed, filling all the details, click on Register. You will receive a mail from us. A mail will contain unique user ID and password. Apply these credentials and log in your account. Fill your profile with all the relevant details and ensure that it is 100% completed. Once verified, we will activate the search button in your account. Get started. Log into your account. Now search button will activate. Fill in your criteria and search the relevant profile. Because it is quick, transparent and hassle-free.